Welcome back, everybody. We're going to be unboxing a 2011 70 Chevelle SSS Wagon from the HW workshops. You may have seen me pull it out yesterday when I was going through that bag of cars I bought. So now we're gonna unbox it. I will probably be live streaming later tonight. I don't know, either today or tomorrow. I don't have school tomorrow, so probably be doing it then. Very nice car. I'm a big fan of these Chevelle wagons. They just look really nice to me. Feels nice, like how the older cars feel like. I mean, it's not that old, it's just from 2011. But it's hard to find cars in the package like these anymore. They're usually going for a lot too, and I only got this for $1. Honestly, very nice casting. I love how the bottom is. They just go into a lot of detail on the bottom. Not that much detail on the top, but it still looks pretty nice. That's all for the video. Hope you subscribe if you want to, and enjoy. See ya.